How's it going, Lone Riders? Andrew here. Let's talk about MotoArmor. So we've just released a few MotoArmor products, protection products for the motorcycle. There are three. There's a side stand extension, there's indication protectors, and manifold guard protectors. Let's open them up and have a look and see what's in them. Also, I'll talk about the bundles that we're going to do for the 1250 and 1200 and the Headlight Guard. This is the first time I've opened them up. I've seen them before, but I ordered it just like a normal customer would. They're available now online, just to see the process and all that kind of stuff. So let's just jump into the side stand extension first and have a look what's going on. So you see on the screen here, you've got the side stand extension. It is a foot enlarger, so when you put your bike down in sand or grass, that your bike doesn't go through the soil level and the bike drops over. It's a pretty simple system. I've talked about this a few times on the channel, it's got 4 screws to hold it down. It's aluminium and stainless steel, and it's got these 2 grooves here to scrape off mud off your boot if you've got mud on your boot. So let's open it up and have a look. First thing I notice, I use 2 plastic bags for protection. I'm going to try and reduce the packaging footprint and make it all out of card next round. I am working on it. So that's it there, side stand extension. It fits the adventure version only. So for some reason BMW seem to enjoy making everything the same except this side stand extension. Look on the screen here, you see that there's 4 different types. One for the shorter versions, one for the exclusives, etc, etc, but one that stays the same is always the adventure foot. So we've made that one for now. We will be making the other ones as well. Again, it's aluminium. We've bored this out, we've routed this out of one whole piece with a CNC machine, so it's solid aluminium, and laser cut out the stainless steel cap that goes on top. So that's the side stand extension. A very important piece of kit. Most bikes will need this one. These are the turn signal protectors or indicator protectors. These sit on the outside. If you've ever driven off-road, often when you drop your bike, you smash off the indicator protectors. These are just to reinforce that area and try and save you hundreds of dollars to replace them. It's quite normal, or if stone chips come up and hit as well. So let's open that up and have a look. So that is for the BMW R1200 from 2013 to 2020. That's for the new design for the new 2021. I am making it. I do have the CAD models ready to go. I'm just waiting to scan the bike and make sure it fits perfectly. But this is stainless steel and it's powder coated as well, so it's not going to rust or break down on you. Or if it did anyway, we'd replace it. And then it's welded at the back here, spot welded. Basically, you take out the M8 bolt, slide this on and put the bolt back on, and you protect it up. So that's what it looks like on the bike. It's very very slimline and designed perfectly for this specific LED light. It will not work on the standard bulb light. That's a different design. Check it out online, and it'll give you the fitment, what it fits to, and the prices in your local currency. The third product is exhaust pipe protection. This one, it will stop your exhaust pipes from getting dinged up or holes put in them. So what I'm using is very 1.5 millimeter stainless steel. It's because it's got a bend for a start. It bends around the manifold protection. I'll show you on the computer quickly where it goes. It goes on the exhaust pipes. For most bikes, it's a generic product, and it protects that piece of metal that's quite thin, that exhaust steel. So this just gives it a bit of reinforcement from those stone chips that flick up from the tire. So basically now we've got 4 products in the lineup, and then there's 2 headlight guards. This is for the brand new 1250, this one here. So what we're doing is we're going to bundle them together and make packages with a bit of a discount. So it just makes it easier just buy the package, and we'll add to this with time. So the bundles from the 2013 to the 2020 models, the normal model, the GS model, Straße model. This one has the indicator protectors, the manifold protectors, and the headlight guard with the U-shaped LED light at the front. For the GSA, the adventure version, it is the indicator protectors, the headlight guards, the horseshoe headlight guard, the side stand extension, and the manifold protection. For the brand new GS 2021 model, that we're including the headlight guard here. That's on the market now. That looks pretty damn good too. So that comes just for the normal GS. That comes with the headlight guard and the manifold protection. And for the GS version, it's the headlight guard, manifold protection, and the side stand extension as well. So that's the combos. Head over to the website and check them out. They've got a discount if you buy them as a bundle, and they are shipping now. So yeah, thanks for joining us. These bundles and these products are now live on the website, so just head over there and you can place your order. We ship worldwide, and yeah, we'll look after you in the customer service as well. If you've got any questions, just reach out, and Anna will reply to you. And yeah, thanks for joining us. I'll come back next week with another video, and that probably be about foot pegs and a few other new products regarding the tank bag connection, with moving along with that as well. So as always, appreciate your time, and catch you next week.